Hi there, hello Mark. Right now, I am going to list out all the places where we use our Ring Central scheduler link. So for Visita. So for the first one, we use it on Oddest. We previously post a job about customer service representative, and for us to check if the list of applicants are fit on our said job, we post few of our Visita online scheduler for those we think might be a candidate. So we include the Visita link on the messages saying, "Are you available to talk? Can you schedule an appointment here?" Then put the Visita link, etc. Blah blah blah. So the candidate can set an appointment, can set the best schedule they have to undergo the interview for us to know who's the person fit on this job. So second is on the newsletter. So we sent out newsletter for Sweet Leaf Wellness. So we put a schedule an appointment button on the newsletter and then link the Sweet Leaf Wellness Visita scheduler link. And for the third one on Drops of Balance. So under contact us, I put the book an appointment link for Drops of Balance for the Visita so that um customer can reach us out by setting appointment with us. So this is the third one. For the fourth one is on Perfect Garden. um Perfect Garden website. I put the code there on every page, so like this one, so it pop ups. So client can contact us anytime by clicking the schedule now button right here. And lastly, on our Drops of Balance um, email campaign, infusions of email campaign. So like on the newsletter we have on the Sweet Lift, we also put a button, let's talk, then link it to the Drops of Balance online scheduler. So that would be the list I have. So thank you so much